Hello and welcome to this video. I want to show you this nice lock. I received it from West Coast Picks, so Harley, thank you very much for this lock. I really like the unusual shape and the finish is nice and no sharp edges. It's cute. And the best on this lock is the Smiley keyway. You can look inside and you can see pin rows on each side, left and right. We can zoom in a little bit more. I think there are 4 pins on each side. And this lock is probably made in China, as you can see from the characters here on this lock. And I tried to look them up, but I could only find this character, which means month or moon, and that might be king, the same as here, but for the last I really don't know. So if anyone of you watching this video knows what that could mean, so please let me know. Yeah, here's the key, also very unusual shaped, of course, to fit into the keyway. Works very nice and smooth, no tension on the plug and no tension on the shackle. And you can see that both parts of the plug turn at the same time. They are independent, so they have a little bit of play when you move them. But they turn at the same time, which is pretty good, because then we can tension the lock just here from this edge and don't have to worry that we would bind up the core. So I will try to pick it open with a rake. So light tension and just rake it. Both sides, of course. We have overset something, try again. I felt a little turn on the core. Pins feel really bind, and now it's open. Not so difficult, really nice to rake. Yeah, here it's open. The Smiley type keyway from West Coast Picks. Harley, again, thank you very much for this nice lock. Everybody else, thank you very much for watching and happy picking. Bye bye. And don't forget to smile. Quick addendum. As it turned out, I was pretty wrong with the translation of these Chinese characters. Actually, there are only 2 characters and not 4. And I found this out by the help of a very nice guy who runs this YouTube channel, Understanding Chinese Characters. I just sent him a link to a picture of this lock, and he was so nice to translate it for me. So, as I said, these are actually 2 characters, and here they are. They are pronounced like this. Yuma, once again. And the direct translation would be something like a pearl and a gemstone. And Yuma is it's the company of the lock manufacturer. And here we have a website, a very intimidating first picture that you see when you open the website. And beside of this, I found a very funny advertising video that I want to show you. Here it is, and please watch it until the end. It's really funny.
value of a lock with good security is not countable by its price. It is much higher than its price because it decides the safety of your treasure, your families, and yourself. However, today, we can see a large number of low-quality locks made by great technology and market. The issue of security lock without security becomes very serious. Those locks bring a big risk to all users. 心好，锁好，门才好。跃马锁，真功夫。跃马 lock, the leading technology.
Okay, that's it. All right, West Coast Picks. Thank you very much for this fun lock. It was great fun for me to pick it and to do this little research. Yeah, everybody else, thank you very much for watching and happy picking. Bye bye.